If you guys don't remember, there's a video that I've uploaded that says Introduction to the Hustler Club. So basically, that video explains exactly what you are going to get in under this YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to talk or give out a very different segmentation, right? Because I made it clear that we are not only going to focus on forex trading, we are going to try various things, how to make money online. We're still going to have our own podcast, maybe somewhere sometimes next year, we don't know, but then we're still going to have some more segment when it comes to under this YouTube channel. On today's video, we are going to focus on things that you need to do to sell your ebooks, to make money out of your ebooks. Please watch this video until the end, because on tip number 4, I'm going to share the free strategy that you need to do or consider to make money out of ebooks. It's a free strategy. It doesn't not going to cost you any money. You don't even need to pay people to promote your ebooks. It's a free strategy. Before you can go wherever or start anything, firstly you need to do your mind map and also make yourself an introspection to check what are the things that you really like. You can't be writing an ebook of the things that you don't like, or maybe something that you don't have knowledge of. You need to make sure that if you write an ebook, it's something that you experienced, you are doing, and you have knowledge, thoroughly knowledge out of it. You need to make sure that whoever gets the ebooks going to give you a good review that this book is very powerful, it's very beautiful, and he can be able to recommend the book, so for that. So one thing that I can tell you is that focus on yourself first. Check if ever there's something that you really like, there's something that you have passion about, and then after that, that's when you are going to pick your niche. So after choosing your own niche, whether it will be maybe a football, maybe a gym, maybe a motivation, maybe a investing, whatever the case may be, you need to make sure that you go deeper and research about the niche that you choose, and make sure that you bring out the best out of you to write that book, so that when people get that book, like I said, they are able to recommend the book to other people, so you can make more sales. But we haven't went to straight to the sales. I'm just giving you advice what you should do before you can do anything. So now we are going to go for tip number 1 on how to make money selling ebooks. Number 1, what you need to do out of your niche, out of something that you wrote. Let's say that you made what do you call, you made an ebook about investing. You need to open maybe a YouTube channel maybe, and speak about investing. Don't go to deeper details. Just go for the surface knowledge that you have. Don't go deeper. Go for the surface, and then explain the investment, explain the tips, little bit of after that. That's when you're going to tell people that if you want to know exactly more how to make money out of investing, you need to click the link below. That's how you make your sales. I'm sure you guys have seen that some other people, after or during the video, or firstly, they always tell you, please, if you want to know something or if you want to get something, hit the link below. They are trying to sell you something. That's what you need to do. This is tip number 1. You open your YouTube channel, you talk about your niche. You talk about your niche, things that you have learned, but you don't go deeper details. You just take it from the surface, right? You open maybe your Instagram, you're still going to do the very same thing. You're now going to share the knowledge, share the knowledge. After sharing the knowledge, like I said, you don't go deeper details. You go surface, because if you go deeper details, you already told them what to do, and it's something that is on your book. If someone buys the book, it's going to feel like, there's no need for me to have this book because I already know, and this guy already told us about this thing. So you need to go surface, and then when that person goes and buy your ebook, now that they get knowledge and they come and give you a review that this book is actually good. Remember, to have a good sales, you need to have good reviews. That's number one. Tip number two, what you need to do is to go to the person who already have influence. Now you don't start your own page or your own YouTube channel. No, you go to YouTube, you check and investing. People who talk about the investing, you DM those persons, but the most thing that is going to cost you is that they are going to make you pay to promote it. But if you believe that it's worth it, I'm telling you, you need to go. But before you text those people and check, you need to check their engagement rate. Engagement rate are the ones that are going to tell you whether this person you can get sales or not. For those who doesn't know what is an engagement, I will make a full video. Comment down below and let me know. I'll make a full video whereby I explain how does the engagement rate really works. So the engagement rate is the one that can make you be aware whether you are going to get the sales or not. So you need to check the engagement rate. It's easy. There are apps that you can be able to check them, and also you can check it out of yourself that you need to go to through the YouTube channel of this person and check whether the engagement rate is correct to what. Same goes to Instagram. You go to the Instagram, you check the pages that talks about investment, and then you text those people, and those people are going to promote it for yourself. They're still going to charge you to promote their stuff. So that's why I have the Hustler Club, to make more money. I'm still going to make a video whereby I'm explaining how am I making money under the Hustler Club. If you want to know, please comment down below. Your comments will be helpful from this channel, please. Tip number three, what you need to do, you need to list your ebook on Amazon. Amazon is one of the powerful platforms to sell your stuff. Not only ebooks, but so many things. It could be a product, electrical products, and whatever the case may be. But there are so many things that you can sell under Amazon. So what you need to do, you need to create your own account under Amazon. After creating your own account, you need to make sure that you have a good product, which is your ebooks, and then list it on Amazon FBA. Not Amazon FBA, so Amazon FBA, I will talk about it, not Amazon FBA. You're going to list it under Amazon. After listing it under Amazon, you're still going to get sales if your books are correct. And remember, your ebooks needs to have keywords. Keywords are the words that helps you people to find you. Whenever people search your keywords, your ebook have possibilities to come up front so that people can be aware of it and purchase it. So you need to make sure you are aware of how you title your ebook. Your ebook title need to be proper and need to have keywords. That's how you are going to make money. And also, you don't just leave it like that. You need to promote it. To promote your ebook from the Amazon, what you need to do is to take the link, the very same thing that I've said. If you have your own page that have too many followers, you can go to that page and also let those people that you have an ebook, but the only way to purchase it is to click on the link. The link will take them to the Amazon, and then they will purchase the ebook. Text the influential people so that they can promote your stuff on your behalf, to tell their followers that there is an ebook. So anyone who wants to have this ebooks, they must click on the link, and then the link will take them straight to Amazon. Tip number four. Tip number four is very strategized and is very wise to use it. What you need to do, right? You have your own ebooks, right? Let's say there is an investing page that you really like. What you need to do on the strategy, you need to send them the ebook for free. The ebook for free. Under the ebook, you need to send a proper message that is going to make them feel the need to read the ebook. Remember, some people can just view, oh, this is an ebook, and then leave it like that. You need to make sure that the caption down below is proper, to the point whereby they are not going to be able to avoid the fact that they need to read your ebook. What's going to happen is that when your ebook is very powerful, right, and is very informative, they are going to share it with their followers. There are high chances, I'm not saying it's a fact, they might find it very powerful and informative and decided to keep them for themselves. It's fine. It's fine. Remember, a business, you need to take a risk. So what you need to do, you send them and also send a short message to make sure that you grab their attention to read the ebook, right? After you take only 5 ebooks, you do that from their page, right? Maybe you do 2 pages, and then you take your ebook, right? You code the best code out of your ebook. You put it on top of a picture of someone who is influential, and then take the cover of your ebook, put it aside of that person. You are editing at this point. If you don't know how to edit, just find someone who's very good in editing. Take the code from your ebook, put it on top of that picture, not the whole picture, the person must appear, and then put the cover page of your ebook aside from that person, and then post it on your social media. After posting it on your social media, whether you have followers or you don't have followers, it's fine. Tag that person. Tag that person. At least make this strategy to 3 people. 3 people. After that, what these people are going to do are going to whether repost your picture or whatever the post, whatever it may be, they're going to repost it on their stories. And some people or his followers or her followers are going to see that when they view their story. So there are people who are going to be kept to want to see what this ebook is all about. So what they are going to do is going to click and check your profile. After checking your profile need to be proper to make them be aware that on your bio you have your link that's going to take them to your ebook so they can purchase your ebook. Or on your page you need to have more videos talking about the ebook to grab their attention. This is the free marketing strategy that you need to trust, and I guarantee this is free and you can really make money. So if you came this far from this video, you shows that you really want to make money. Make sure that you hit the subscribe to join the family. For those who already hit the subscribe, thank you very much, guys. Please make sure that you comment down below and let me know what kind of ways do you want me to explain how to make money. But if I don't know, I'm going to be honest enough to tell you guys that I don't know. But if I do, I will tell you. If I know someone who do, I will go and dig information from them and then come and explain it to you. So please make sure you like this video. Let's give this video at least 10 likes. That's all I've been asking for 10 likes, and please share with your friends. Don't be selfish.